His flower-patterned eye and bark-like body made him one of the most visually poetic characters in the series. Every move he made felt heavy with purpose, like he was carrying nature's burden alone. He didn't flinch when faced with death. He knew his mission was bigger than him. Hanami's power to absorb life energy from nature to heal was both beautiful and eerie. When Gojo appeared, Hanami's calm turned into desperation, and I could feel the hopelessness. Watching him fall felt tragic, like watching the last tree in a forest being cut down. Hanami's ideology reminded me that not all enemies are heartless. Some are born from truths we avoid. I love that Jujutsu Kaisen gave depth to even its villains, and Hanami is a prime example. His death didn't feel like a victory, it felt like a warning. Hanami may be gone, but what he represented, our connection to nature, still echoes in my mind.